One weak password could crumble your entire digital life. Are you protected? I'm Abdurrahman Al-Gammal, the CEO of Gammal Tech, reminding you that your password is your digital passport. According to recent research, a cyber attack happens every few seconds around the globe. A simple fix using long, unpredictable passphrases can block countless threats. So, on World Password Day, millions of people are upgrading their security right now. So take a minute to strengthen your passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and educate your friends and family about safe online habits. Strong passwords aren't just tech tips, they are personal protection. Let's protect our data, our businesses, and our futures. Don't forget, change at least one major password today.